Welcome to the Weather Centre. At the start of a new work week, a cold front moved in over the southwestern part of South Africa overnight, and it continues to bring in rainfall over the southern part of South Africa on Monday, and it cools things off over the western part of the country. Our synoptic analysis shows a band of thunderstorms moving eastward across South Africa throughout the day, affecting mainly the central interior, but we're also expecting cloudy and wet weather through to the Eastern Cape. Partly cloudy and dry weather continues in the northeast, with another sizzling hot day expected for KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. Widespread thundershowers and showers are expected over parts of the Eastern Cape, with up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms extending through the central part of South Africa as well as into the Eastern Cape. We're still expecting a few isolated thundershowers for the Northern and Western Cape, and that's mainly in the first part of the day, with thundershowers extending through to the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal later on Monday. In the northeast, we're expecting a toasty afternoon in Phalaborwa at 41 degrees, in the mid-30s for Bombela and Pretoria, as well as Potchefstroom and Mahikeng, 32 as we head towards Johannesburg. A cooler day over the western part of the Free State, 32 degrees for Bloemfontein. We're also expecting cooler weather for parts of the Eastern Cape, 25 for Grahamstown, but still sizzling hot as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg at 38. Hot as we head towards the KZN coastline with a fresh northeasterly wind. You'll see a fresh to strong southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth and East London. A cooler day on Monday for Port Elizabeth at 24 degrees and a 1.5 metre easterly swell along the east coast. Cooler weather is also forecast for the western and eastern Cape as that cold front moves through. 27 for Beaufort West and Oudtshoorn, with Worcester and Robertson expecting highs in the mid-20s. We head into the low 20s along the coast from Muizenberg all the way through to Plettenberg Bay, with a fresh southeasterly wind for False Bay in the afternoon. You'll see more of a light south-southwesterly wind for Mussel Bay, and in Jeffreys Bay a fresh southwesterly wind is expected with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell at 10 seconds. A cooler day is forecast throughout the Northern Cape, 25 degrees for Springbok and Sutherland, 29 as we head towards Uppington, and we head into the mid-20s for De Aar and Colesberg. Along the west coast, highs head into the mid-20s between Langebaan and Alexander Bay, with a strong southeasterly wind for Table Bay on Monday afternoon, and a high of 23 degrees for Cape Town. A 1.5 metre southwesterly swell is expected along the west coast. On Tuesday, things stay sizzling hot for Bombela at 37 degrees, but you'll see thundershowers moving in over the northeastern and eastern part of South Africa with a cooler day in the forecast. We're also still expecting some rain and cool weather over the southern part of South Africa, but with a slightly warmer day in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Monday.